Hi guys, this is Predwell and we playing Gangster Vegas. In today's video, I'm going to review Atomic Ambassador Level 2. You may think why it's known as the Atomic Ambassador, because there's a huge atomic bomb at the back, guys. Wow. There are sirens at the top. Wow, see the atomic bomb at the back, guys. And look at the shape of this thing. Wow. Yeah guys, let me show you the colors in it. Okay, nice. Orange, good. I actually like this one, guys, not this one. Yeah, this one I like it. Oh, even this is good, not so bad. This is the color I love, guys. I'm going to deliver this color. This is the default one. Okay, let me deliver it, guys. Okay, I re-deliver my current vehicle. Yeah guys, it is delivered. I'm excited to see the atomic bomb at the back, guys. Okay. Guys, so big atomic bomb, guys. Look at the size of the bomb. Wow. Look at the sirens and the shape of this thing. The funniest part about this thing is its shape. But let me show you the stats of this thing. Yeah guys, it goes in a speed of 210 kilometers per hour, which is very high. 4.70 seconds, guys. Look at the health of this thing. 7,000. Wow. Even the delivery cost is cheap, guys. Only 30,000. Okay guys, let us go ahead and ride this thing. Wow. Okay. Guys, the pickup is very good. Okay, first let us try drifting. See guys, I'll just leave the arrow. Automatically spins. See guys, I'm not even touching off the arrow. It depends on the speed of the vehicle, guys. Look at the speed. Okay. Yeah guys, let us go in a bit fast. Guys, it catch up speed very fast, guys. Okay. Now brakes. Okay. Oh shit. The brakes of this thing is pretty nice, guys. And the acceleration is very good. Okay. Whoa, which vehicle is that? I love this vehicle, guys. I don't want to destroy this vehicle, but for the video I need to destroy it. Okay, I'll destroy it in the last. First let us go to the military base, guys, and let us see how does this thing performs in the military base. Okay guys, I'm not going to pause the video. I'm going to ride this thing and you guys see how fast can this vehicle catch up on the way to the military base. I love the color, guys. Pretty good color. Okay, look at the speed already, guys. The drifting of this vehicle is very nice. I think it's a drifting vehicle, guys. Oh shit, hell. There's Galapinos. Okay, over here there must be a bridge. I thought that I am going to fall in the water, guys. Okay. It's a straight road, guys. Okay, observe the speed of this thing. Guys, look at the jump, guys. Wow. Whoa. It goes in a very high speed, guys. Okay. MT6. I made a video on MT4, guys. You can check it out. Okay. Now be careful, Predwell. Be careful. Okay, got cops. Okay. I'll use my old trick. Let me go to the windmill farm. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This thing drifts a lot in mud, guys. The controls of this thing is very nice. But the controls of this thing in mud, it's good, but not as good as a murder machine. Yeah guys, you may think, what do you mean by murder machine? Yeah guys, I made a review on that vehicle. You can go ahead and watch it. Okay, let us see, can we escape cops here? Oh, there are many cops coming towards me, guys. Probably I need to escape here. Okay, I escaped. I don't know what are these cops up to? Okay, where is he running? Okay. Okay, yeah guys. Oh shit. But the health of this thing is very good. Okay. Let me repair the front part. Guys, look at the front part. Wow. Yeah guys. Let us be little careful while destroying this vehicle, because there's going to be a big blast. Okay. I think this distance is enough. Okay. Okay, point at it. Shit, hell. Okay, let me shoot it. Oh shit, hell. Okay. It took the damage of one rocket, guys. Okay. 2 rockets. 3. Okay. The vehicle is not even smoking. Okay. Yeah, guys. Within 3 or 4 rockets, it's going to be destroyed. Look at the big blast going to happen now. Oh. Guys, still how much health this thing has? Okay. It's smoking. But probably one rocket can destroy it. Okay. Look at the health loss, guys. But it dealt so many blasts. It's a very great thing about this. Okay. Now it's going to be atomic blast. Okay. Let me go a little bit near for the good look. Okay. I think this was enough. Okay. Now see, guys. Oh. What the hell? Guys. Whoa. Yeah guys, now it's going to be destroyed. Guys, see that? Wow. Yeah guys, did you see that? Yeah guys, for this video only this much. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. Bye guys, I'll meet you in the next one.